ঈদ মোবারক। টরন্টো সিটি মেয়র অলিভিয়া চাও। তিনি এই শহরে একজন জনপ্রিয় সিটি মেয়র এবং তিনি চেষ্টা করেন যে এই শহরের বিভিন্ন অনুষ্ঠানে যেতে। আজকে তিনি এসেছেন ডেন্টোনিয়া পার্কে, বাংলাদেশি ক্যানাডিয়ান কমিউনিটির সবচেয়ে বড় ঈদ জামাতে। তো এখন আমরা জানতে চাইবো তার কাছে যে তার কি অভিমত এই ঈদে যোগদান নিয়ে। What is your feelings to join this big mega Eid event, Eid Jamaat?
Well, Eid Mubarak. It's filled me with great joy to be able to share Eid together with such an incredible community. We have formally recognized, this is the city of Toronto, formally recognized Bengal Town, which is a recognition of Bengal Town's heritage, the culture, the language, the food, the values, all of it is being celebrated by the city of Toronto. It is a time to come together. It's a time to pray, of course, but also a time to reflect and say no to hatred and especially to Islamophobia. Because what I see in San Diego worries me. However, I want to assure your audience that the youth violence in Toronto have dropped tremendously. Gun violence has dropped. Murder rate is lowest in 50 years in Toronto. We are a city to celebrate compassion and respect and tolerance and support for each other, not hate.
Just I'm coming back. অলিভিয়া চাও এতদিন ধরে একটা গুঞ্জন ছিল উনি ইলেকশনে করবেন কি করবেন না, কিন্তু তিনি অ্যানাউন্স করেছেন যে তিনি নেক্সট সিটি মেয়র হিসেবে ইলেকশন করবেন। What is your plan about the next upcoming city mayor?
Oh, God. I plan to campaign in the fall. Right now, I'm the mayor of Toronto. I am working hard to have the World Cup here in Toronto, so everyone will have a wonderful time. I am working hard to build more housing and protect rental housing, and to continue to make sure kids have food in homes, in schools, and have TTC, public transit that works well for everyone. Those are things I'm working on as mayor. The campaign will happen in the fall, so I will campaign at that time.
Just 1 minute for FIFA World Cup. What arranging the Toronto City?
Say that again.
What is your arrangement about FIFA World Cup?
Oh, FIFA. Oh, the world is coming to the city of Toronto. It's going to be fantastic. There will be watching parties everywhere, and there young people, I hope, will come out of FIFA World Cup saying, dreaming to be a soccer star and play soccer. It's easy. You just need a ball and kick it around. You can be a professional soccer star. I like to call it football, actually.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Eid
you.
Mubarak.
Yeah, Eid Mubarak.
And as a Bangladeshi, I want to thank you for recognize our Bangla town.
Yeah, it's important. Bengal Town, and
Yeah.
this is now formally a cultural district. It will have signs. Bengal Town Cultural District. There will be a lot to do to celebrate it, especially this summer.
Thank you.
Starting.
বাংলা টাউন, বাঙালি অধ্যুষিত যে এরিয়া, সেটাকে বাংলা টাউন হিসেবে ঘোষণার দাবি আসছিল অনেকদিন ধরে। এর আগে সিটি কাউন্সিলের বিষয়টি উঠেও ছিল, কিন্তু সিটি মেয়র অলিভিয়া চাও আজকে আনুষ্ঠানিকভাবে ঘোষণা করেছেন যে বাংলা টাউন এখন থেকে ফর্মালি বাংলা টাউন। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।
Thank you.